In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are the quickest way to fly through Trello, but they make the most sense once you're looking at a board. So let's set up a simple space to practice and then open the built-in shortcut guide. First, open Trello and head to your boards page. At the top, click Create. You can start with a template if you want a ready-made structure for common workflows, which is great for things like project tracking or content planning. If you just want a clean place to test shortcuts, choose Create Board for now. Before creating it, pick a background you like. It's purely visual, but a distinct color or image makes it easier to identify your board at a glance. Type a clear, descriptive board title so you'll recognize it later. Next, choose the visibility that fits your needs. Private keeps it just for you. Workspace makes it visible to your team, and public is searchable on the web, which is rarely necessary for internal work. When everything looks good, click. Create to open your new board. With the board open, here's the single shortcut you need to learn first. Press Shift plus the question mark key. On most keyboards, that's holding Shift and tapping the key with the question mark. This instantly opens Trello's built-in shortcut guide as an overlay on top of your board. You'll see a clear, organized list of all available shortcuts grouped by actions like navigation, card interactions, list management, and editing. Think of it as your on-demand cheat sheet. If the panel doesn't appear, make sure your cursor isn't active in a text field, click the background of the board to give it focus, and try Shift plus question mark again. If you're on a keyboard layout where the question mark shares a key with other characters, hold Shift for the question mark version. Most browsers leave this combination alone on Trello, so it should work consistently. Use the overlay to learn in small, practical bites. Start with the actions you perform every day, moving between cards, opening a card quickly, or toggling details. You don't need to memorize everything. Keep the panel open, try one shortcut, close it, and repeat as needed. Shortcuts usually act on whatever is currently selected, so click a card or list before triggering an action to make sure Trello applies it in the right place. That's it. Open your boards page, create a simple practice board, and press Shift plus question mark to reveal every Trello shortcut whenever you need it. Keep that panel handy, build muscle memory one action at a time, and watch your Trello workflow speed up immediately.